Well, good morning. Guess what? I've been up for 3 hours now, and it is 5:45 at the moment. So I woke up at 2, I think it was like 2:45 I woke up. Couldn't go back to sleep, but I did it to myself because I went to bed at 7:30 last night. So I haven't been on, thought I would jump on, just let you guys know. Well, today is Weigh-In Wednesday, right? And I stayed the same last Wednesday. I didn't get on. I didn't really talk about it too much because I didn't really go down. I didn't go up. I just kind of held, right? I've been doing counting calories. So, it's been working out for me a little bit. I'm here, I'm there, I'm all over the map with tracking and, just depends on the day. So, anyway, I let Buddy out. It is cold. It is 46 degrees this morning here in St. Louis, Missouri. So, it's starting to get cool. Fall is here. It's October 2nd today. So, by the way, excuse my appearance. Like I said, it is 6 a.m. in the morning, 5:45 a.m. I have already had my breakfast because why? I woke up so early. I am on my coffee. Got my coffee, first cup. When I woke up, I had tea. So, there you have it, right? By the way, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Kim, and this is Life Over 55 with Kim. Do you like my little ears I have? My little Mickey Mouse ears up here. I have been considering going with a new program, and I had said it a couple of times on some videos where I'm thinking about doing, it's called Slimming World. And one of the ladies who's doing Slimming World here in America. Slimming World, for those that don't know, because I didn't know what it was until just recently, it's like a Weight Watchers program, but it's in the UK. So, and I think Iceland, and I don't know, there's a couple of countries that it's in, but it's not here. So you can go online and join, and they have their books, they have everything. It is sort of complicated for me at the moment because I haven't really got it down too well. I'm learning. So as soon as I go through the books my friend sent me, because she had extra, I will talk to you about it. The success rate for these women who have been doing this in the UK is huge, like very, very big, which is kind of shocking to me a little bit because of the fact that rice and pasta and potatoes and all of those things that we call like super starchy foods, all of those foods are free. So basically, like I said, I'm still learning. As soon as I get some more info, I will share it with you. But I think that I'm doing okay. I really do. I'm still working a whole lot of hours. It's like really kind of not so good that I've got all these hours. I'm tired still. I came home from work yesterday because I did not feel well. And I was in bed at 7:30 last night. I was in bed. And that was part of the reason I'm sure that I woke up at 2:45 because, or 2:30, somewhere in there, because I went to bed at 7:30 and I tried to stay awake, but I was gone out. I think I woke up and the clock said it was like 11 and I felt like I had slept the whole entire night. So I am working today, open to close today. So 8:30 to 7. And no sleep. Yay, me. Anyway, so I have been cooking a lot this week, actually. I've started to eat salads again. My breakfast is always the same thing. I have like anywhere from a fourth to a half a cup of oatmeal, a piece of toast, and 2 eggs. Sometimes Canadian bacon, sometimes not. This morning did not have it. Then for lunch I've been like doing, I have to tell you, lunchtime I've been getting, it's called Lloyd's beef. So I've been getting those, and basically, what are they? 250 calories, I think. Yeah, 250, I think, for like a fourth of a cup or something. And then I got some buns, so I was eating that all last week. Um, I had some baked chicken. I had those pork chops that I showed you guys. And that was pretty much my week. And my week so far. So like up to today. I gotta get groceries. I don't know what I'm going to be making. I really would like to find some more crock pot meals to make, because those are so nice for me because I work so much that I can just separate it into containers and then heat it up when I get home and then add a salad or a vegetable to it. So, it's kind of tough when you have to work so much. When does that stop for me? When, I'd say. When. I don't know. I'm feeling my age. I think all this working is getting me to be older. Older than I want to be. So I am focusing on kind of just my diet, trying to figure out foods to eat, foods to make, what is healthier. And that's like a challenge. That is like a full-time job, if you really want to know. When you really have to sit and plan out a meal and think about a meal, that's a full-time job. So I have been coming up with different meal ideas. That's what I've been working on this morning. So hopefully I can figure it out and, excuse me, get things going. Other than that, that's really I've not been up to so much. I did weigh today, and my Lose It app, I keep my track going on my Lose It app. So I was shocked at the scale this morning. I really was. In fact, I weighed it I guess it was like 3 o'clock this morning that I weighed. And I'm like, I don't know about that. So before I had my breakfast, I went back in and weighed again. And that was probably at 5 o'clock this morning. So according to what the scale says, I don't know about it. I don't know about it. I'm having trouble believing it, but I guess it's true. Because, my eating, I guess, really, to me, it's been kind of bad because, I've had, Cheeto Puffs here and there a couple of times. Diet soda, I guess diet soda doesn't really matter because it's diet. I haven't really had a lot of water this week, but I've been drinking a lot of tea. I got a new tea, you guys. It's called Stash, and it is chocolate peppermint. It tastes like an Andes Mint. I love, love, love that tea. In fact, I'm going to probably order another box of that tea. I got it on Amazon. Again, it's called Stash. STASH, I think. Um, I'll try to put a link to it in my description box. But it's really good. It helps a little bit with that sweet tooth, and you're not getting me with coffee. Because see, if you see my coffee, I have to have cream. I can't. I've tried it. I'm trying. I am so trying to drink black coffee, but I'm having a hard time with it. So basically, I've been doing my best that I can do, so that's all I can do, right? And I really feel like there's times that I just retain a lot of water. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. But anyway, so back to where we were, and I never told you about my weight. So I have lost 5 pounds. Don't know how. Don't know how, where it went, what happened, but the scale is saying that I have lost 5 pounds. So yay me. I'm excited about it, but I'm also like, I didn't really do anything to, I don't know, make that happen. So that's why I'm kind of thinking, am I retaining water? I don't know. Anyway, all right, guys, I just wanted to hop on and do a quick little update. It is 6 a.m. I am going to try to rest a little bit before I have to be back into work. And I will talk to you guys later. Mwah! Bye.